Hello everyone, so welcome back. Now in this lecture we are basically gonna understand about how we can load our wallet.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie's Academy.
So we have Metamask as our wallet, and then before in order to buy any non-fungible token we need to uh, load our wallet. So basically we need to add some fund in our Metamask. So basically there are two ways to do so. One is directly through Metamask, and the next one is an indirect way. So you can click over your Metamask, and then you can see here there are three options: buy, send, and swap. So if someone already has some cryptocurrencies in their Metamask and they want to send it to someone like your friend, then you can use this send option. So you can simply click here and this will ask for an address, and also you can add some QR code here. So this is an option to add QR code. So probably you need camera for that, and so that is an QR code route. I'll show this again. And then you also have a swap option. So this swap option is basically to change your Ethereum or change one of the cryptocurrency into some other form. So for that, and it will take some certain charges based on that. But right now what we are basically trying to understand is we are finding our ways to basically buy some cryptocurrency using directly our Metamask. And there are two ways you can see here. The first one is through this wire, and there is transact and also directly deposit ether right at here. So let me show you this wire way. So you can continue to wire, and then this will open, and basically you will get some options like Apple Pay, your debit card. So you can see here there is a credit or debit card options through which you can pay, and you can change it to, you can see there is an Apple Pay, debit card, and the bank transfer route as well. So with credit or debit card there is basically 3% fee, however this is instant. And with the Apple Pay there is also 3% fee, and this is also instant but needs to be minimum of $5 minimum. And through direct bank transfer or this ACH transfer, this might take up to 5 business days. However, the charges are just 0.75 percentage. So that's one thing. And now we need to see this. Our maximum limit is $1,000 in one transaction. So you can see here, for every transaction you are going to buy any Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies. So you can select here to change it to any other cryptocurrency, like here is Bitcoin, USDC, and you can see here there are many. So currently this is selected to Ether or Ethereum. So what we need to understand is, you can see here are some transaction and network fees. So every time you buy your Ethereum through this wire, you need to pay certain transaction and network fee, because you are basically going into the blockchain and you are trying to buy that. So there occurs some transaction and network fees. But let me show you something. When you reduce this down to just $10, your transaction fee and network fee are roughly the same. $5 for transaction fee, and then you have network fee of $15.37. However, when you increase this to $100, you can see this is the same range. So for $100, say you have to just at final pay just $120.37. So you'll be just incrementing your with $20.37. But if you are just buying for $10, it's roughly the same fee, but literally $20.37 become your transaction and network fees, which is you will be paying more than double for what you are trying to buy. So keep in mind what your range is, but if you keep this change to $200, then you can see the transaction fees increase slightly to $6.30. And as you increase this, you can see here the transaction fees slightly gets increased again. So let's say you added $2,000. Now you can see here this is a wide range. So this is what I wanted to show you. So keep in mind what is basically the range for which you will have to pay through this wire route. So the range, so that you don't pay excess on your transaction and network fees, and you can easily pay through this way using your credit and debit card details. So also you can pay on US dollars or euro or your pound in different ways. You can go through this Metamask option directly, and that was one way how we can load our wallet in Metamask. The next is through this Transact. Transact supports debit card and bank transfer. You can see here, just like our Wire, which supported debit card, and Transact supports your. Let's open Transact and let's see. So Transact supports the debit card in the similar way that we had Wire earlier. So you can see here you can pay using pound sterling or your Indian rupees. So let's select US dollars for right now. And for 200 US dollars, there is roughly the transaction fee and everything included here. So let's see some price comparison as earlier. So having $100, your total fees is this much. So again, this also has some range, so keep in mind about those range, and then you can simply proceed with your credit card or debit card payment way. There is Visa card also. So that was the two way we saw directly using Metamask. And now next what we can see is, let's see about the QR code that I mentioned earlier. So when you try to buy, let's see on the buy, and you see this third option, which is the directly deposition of Ether. So remember, this is just for Ether. So if you already have some Ether, the quickest way to get Ether in your new wallet is by direct deposit. So you can go to your view account and this will show you a QR code. So I don't have problem sharing this QR code because this QR code is just for receiving. So if you show this QR code to someone else, then they can scan and send this to you. I showed you to the scan option. To send, we have any scan option. So this is one way in which one another way for directly sending to from Metamask to Metamask to send your Ether. So we learned a direct way to add or fill up our Metamask wallet. So this was all through Metamask, and now let's learn some alternative and some popular ways through which we can directly send money to our Metamask wallet. So the first one is Binance. So you might have heard about Binance and these exchanges. This is famous and probably the most used one. And you can see here in the market trend. In the market trend right now, you can see the prices of Bitcoin for in the last 24 hours are roughly down. So you can see an Ethereum or one Ether is roughly $4,740, and in the last 24 hour this has decreased by roughly 2%. Similarly, you can see for Bitcoin, BNB, and always remember you don't have to buy a complete Ether or one full Ether. You can always buy a fraction of it. You can also buy Bitcoin, BNB, Mana, Shiba, and Dogecoin through this. So Bitcoins are definitely increasing with the market trend, and you can always buy it using Binance. Binance is one of the popular way. You simply would have to like register your account here, and then definitely you will have to link your MetaMask, and then you can directly buy. So basically this is an exchange platform where you trade on cryptocurrencies, and with the one you buy through Binance, you can directly deposit it in your wallet, that is MetaMask. Similarly, next we have our Coinbase. So Coinbase is also used for buying of cryptocurrencies, basically for trading platform. This is also a widely popular and used. So you can see here you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. So you can see the price is, it shows in Nepali rupee right now. And next we have Kraken. So even Kraken is popularly used for your uh, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency buying purpose. You can directly load your wallet using Kraken. Similarly, we also have Gemini. So you can use Gemini to buy Bitcoin and crypto instantly. It shows here you can also buy Ethereum and others using this, not just Bitcoin. So after we load all the wallet, so definitely we need to load the wallet. We are going to visit some marketplace in order to buy our non-fungible tokens. Basically, what MetaMask did us was to allow us to make this connection between our wallet and cryptocurrencies so that we can head over to some marketplace to buy. So we saw in this lecture how we can directly load money in MetaMask using the MetaMask way through directly buying in this MetaMask. And secondly is some alternative way using Binance, Coinbase, Kraken and Gemini. There might be some others as well. So you can surf over the internet and find what's best for you. And that's all for this lecture now. So in the next lecture I'll show you some of the marketplace where you can buy NFTs, and I'll see you on the next lecture then. Thank you.